If you're looking to watch sports on the ESPN app, you're in for a treat. It's simple, convenient, and packed with features for every sports enthusiast. Start by downloading the ESPN app from your device's app store and opening it. Sign in with your cable provider account or an ESPN Plus subscription if prompted. Once logged in, head to the Watch section to find live games, events, and shows. You can also check the schedule to see upcoming matches or browse highlights and replays for updates. For a more personalized experience, enable notifications to stay updated on your favorite teams, scores, and breaking sports news. If you're an ESPN Plus subscriber, you'll unlock even more content, including exclusive matches, original programming, and in-depth analysis. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready to stream live sports and enjoy the action. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let the games begin.